my landlady and I.
Hello there. Thanks for watching this video. I do really appreciate. God bless you. God bless you. Please, as you watch, help subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so you can get notified when we drop new exclusive video, because this channel will be doing some mind-blowing videos pretty soon, which we are working on. I'm your own boy, Oyiko Alex. Now you know. Please, let's watch this video. Let's watch and enjoy. Thank you very much. Watch.
Let me call Mo.
Aisha, they call me. Aisha, baby. I miss you, Sha. Hello?
Babe, how far?
I do. What's up now?
I do. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Babe, tell me now. What is the latest? What did they saw?
My sister. This day, do you know this useless landlady? I saw her in my dream.
Really? Wait till I let come fight for your dream. She won't die?
My sister, I don't know. I saw her in my dream. You can imagine. Trust me now. I know I know the carry last. I dealt with her seriously.
Babe, I trust you. I know who you've been. I know what you can do. You can imagine. Landlady, your dream. This woman, we need to do something about her. We really need to do something about her. Oh, babe, come to think of it. This your landlady, so. Are you sure she doesn't have something to do with your fiancé?
Abi?
Yes, nah. I know why they talk her now. How your landlady, your own landlady, go destroy marriage when they prepare for? You never reason, I never reason go that side. Babe, I know what they talk. You sit down, make it sit down, check and balance her. Every time landlady. Now she don't let the cause issue between you and your husband to be. You know, make sense now. Hello, Aicha. Hello?
No. Not possible. It can't be. No. I don't think so.
They shout, you know if you happen, until they snatch your husband come out for your hand. Let's see. I go to tell something, you know they believe me. You know something what they tell you not true. See, you get my Baba I go introduce you to. Yes. If Baba get power well. Because all this nonsense go end. I know the landlady they come in, they complain of your landlady. Wait till happen. Now only happy the landlady where they Nigeria, where they do sword. I hold on too much. See this Baba, don't be anyhow Baba. The Baba na number one nation na the best for the whole wide world. If this Baba give you love portion, see that your husband, you don't go feel love any other woman except you. Even your mama go they smell for where you dey. You see that your landlady, that your landlady, she go run come up for that house for now. I mean they tell you.
See, I just tired. So when do you think we can go there?
Baby, now that one no come low. You know, say me na business woman, I know to dey get time. I don't get time. You know what you go sup, I go send the Baba number. I'll send you number, I'll send you the address. When you go there, then I'll send her from Omobe. Omobe.
Voila, thank you so much.
You are welcome. You know, say you are my babe now. You are my babe. Anytime they disturb you, they disturb me. Anytime they worry you, they worry me. I know they like her. That landlady, she go hear her. God save her say, no be me and her dey the same house. She fall back, come up for the house.
Oh yeah, no. Later, I think I just come outside, come gossip some more.
May you stay well. May you greet your husband for me. Bye, girl. Stay well. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
I'm safe. You don't do too much for this woman. Wow.
Useless landlady. Rubbish. I'll show you, baby. Good afternoon,
Welcome, my daughter. How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you, sir.
What is the problem?
Baba, My friend directed me to your place.
Okay.
She told me that when it comes to love portion, you are good at it.
That's my profession.
She gave me your address and asked me to come here that I won't regret it. That's why I'm here, sir. Please, I need your help. Please.
Okay. Do you really love this guy we are talking about?
I love him so much, oh. I love him and I don't want to share him with anybody. So I want to tie him. I want him to love me alone and nobody. Because I'm not ready to share him with anybody else.
Oh! Child.
So please help me.
Oh! 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 See, my daughter, I'm going to give you something that you are going to use on him.
So, Baba, this thing you're talking about, how should I use it? Should I put it inside his...
Hold on. This thing, as you are seeing it, all you have to do is just to put it inside his food.
Okay.
Just put it inside his food.
Okay, in his food?
Yes.
Okay.
Inside his food. But I would prefer you put it inside his drink to make it more powerful. Do you understand?
Okay, Baba.
So, use it wisely. He will love you forever and ever.
Thank you, Baba.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Hey, ìyá mi, mojúbà yín o. Ìyá mi, mojúbà o. Mojúbà o.
Oyi, this your new apartment fine o.
Lights no dey inside for this. You need like inside fine. Lights no dey for yours dey chill inside, but at the same time, see, okay, I even dey tell you for phone that time, inside dey joke. Na back there landlady dey stay. This place. Oga, sit down.
Before she come pour me hot water o, you know say that your landlady na wahala na him dey carry her dey waka.
No, for now she no problem. She dey alright. She dey alright. She no get problem.
That means you no get problem with that. Na fine house, no wahala landlady, everything. Don't segement.
No wahala, but the thing na one long list wey him give me.
That one na normal. Na when you see that side, na the same thing.
But that side small, yeah. You reach 1,000 and everything there ahead.
Wow. I won't do na to the manager like that now. Very soon you go build your house now.
Hey, my God! Hey. I think they feel. See, landlady no be even the problem now, sef. Landlady, she come this new house, she come calm. She calm.
Na to dey go dey chop rice na every Sunday. Anytime I come here, I go still enter there.
Calm down, Jerry.
So wetin go be the problem now?
There's na the wife wey you carry more go beg. You see all those times when she dey act out, na real character o. Are you lady?
That small shikini body girl go give wahala.
I wish say we no go beg at that time. If we just dey alright, I for dey alright found that why. Don't understand, this girl go kill me for my time o.
I don't believe what you talk.
You don't never believe me. I go call you for phone say you no go believe.
That girl no look like person wey like wahala. See her body now, very quiet and beautiful. Guy, if I see that kind girl to marry sef, go I from marry since. Which kind wahala dey talk?
No marry o. Oh, see how they call.
Hey. Our wife.
Longest time.
No see you.
This is how you came to our house today.
My sister, I was just passing by you, so I decided to come and greet you and Oyina. Since you refused to invite me to your new house.
So do we have to invite you to our house before you come to our house?
You know you are not always around now.
Anyways, you are welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You are looking good though.
I'm managing, looking good like this.
You people are taking good care of yourself.
Thank you. It's nice to see you again.
Thank you.
Let me go inside and do something.
Our wife.
Streets.
Sorry, abeg, do you have cold water?
Water? Yes. Well, just water. No problem.
Cold water, very cold, abeg.
Okay. You, what do you want?
There's a soft drink in the fridge. You can just take it.
Soft drink. Okay. I'm coming. Let me bring water and soft drink for you.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Okay, our wife.
I'm happy to see you.
I'm happy to.
Why are you looking at me? I'm coming.
Oyi, you made the right choice here.
Wallahi. Right choice to die, you. Right choice to die.
I don't understand.
No be. What happened?
Happy she. Now your wife be that. Now be your wife to be.
Wife to be.
See, guy, I'm happy for you, Jare.
I don't need get change of mind for this thing, safe. Oh man, the iron lady. Iron lady.
And I don't know what to say.
But also, what's up with you now? How life generally and everything now?
Life deal. Our wife. You too much. You too much.
Here is your water.
Thank you, Jare.
And here is your soap.
I started to sing cool.
Enjoy yourself. Oh.
Thank you. Our wife.
Oh, God, drink.
Our wife.
Looking so fresh. Drinky. Enjoy yourself, guys.
You told me this thing, you don't get light. Start this thing cool. Guy, drink now. Why are you not drinking?
Me, I'm not thirsty. I'm worried. This is the first time she behave like this. Happy, friendly, and everything.
I don't understand. Oyi, there's always a first time. If you don't want to drink, let me drink it.
Not thirsty again. This act is surprising me. Not thirsty.
Me, I'm still thirsty. Let me help you to drink your drink.
You are here. You came to see us today.
I didn't even say I come.
What's that his name?
Street.
Street.
My landlady.
But wait, this one you are following Oyiko up and down. Hope you are not following him because of his money.
No, now he has been my childhood friend now, so I came to visit him.
Don't shut our rash up.
No, not at all, my landlady. My landlady, my landlady.
What are you drinking?
Juice.
Let me drink small, Jare.
Oyi, is it part of the rules and regulations that your landlady should drink visitors?
Well, if you rules and regulations, let me drink now.
Oh, Baje, you too. My landlady, my landlady. My landlady. Wow, it's your landlady.
I'm just being concerned. I'm being worried. Why would Ash just become so good?
Aye.
What kind of thing
My
is this
beautiful
one?
Aye.
What's wrong with you?
Look at your pot belly.
Come on, my body.
You are so cute. Give it to me, baby. Come on.
Are you okay? What has come?
Come on, give
Straight. Are you okay? Are you mad?
Even if he beats me, I will still love you, baby.
Yeah!
Come on.
Come and start going. Come and start going.
I love you, Oyi. I love you.
Come and be going. Come and be going.
Oyi.
Go.
What's the problem? I love you.
You love
Don't chase me.
you be mumu. You are a mumu man. What's up with you? How come over you? If I slap you, man, that demon that came over you. What kind of nonsense is this one? What nonsense? You love me. You love who? But wait, it was fine just now.
So, baby, where's your friend? Where is your friend?
He just started acting up.
Acting.
He was telling me that he loves me.
I did not put anything in your drink. Oh, I did not put anything in your drink. Look at my armpit. There's no hair. God, please don't come and accuse me of what I did not do. Me, I'm innocent. No hair. Even God, the devil knows I'm innocent. You know I'm a child of God. I know I'm innocent. Me, I did not put anything in your drink. Oh,
I'm not accusing you of anything. I was just saying he was acting up, and meanwhile you were just so happy and so friendly, which you have not done before.
Me, I don't know what you're saying. I did not put anything in your drink. Oh, you, God, you know I'm your daughter.
You not put anything in
I did not put anything in your drink. I did not.